Be still. It is the moment just before the apricot sugar sunrise spreads over the horizon, the cresting turquoise wave flips toward the shore, and the red maple leaf falls to the earth. It is the moment just after the lightning strike, but before the clap of thunder. It is the moment just after a red-tailed hawk hovers, but then glides on thermal winds. It is the moment just before the yellow hibiscus bud opens full. It is the moment after dusk wraps the forest in purples. It is just before you take my hand. It is just after you gather your stillnesses within your heart. It is just before you take them out as needed. Be still with me, and I will be still with you. Here, now, still.